Have you ever wondered how large a raindrop is? Well, NASA and their counterparts in Japan are doing just that from space. A satellite was launched 2 years ago to take 3D measurements of raindrops and snowflakes and to track their progression from the cloud base to the surface. And researchers are hoping to better understand the distribution and differences in size of raindrops and ice crystals within the cloud, which eventually could further enhance our forecasting methods. And looking at a cross-section of a cloud, you'll notice a spectrum of colors. Those cooler colors of green and blue indicate smaller drops on the edges and usually the higher altitude of the cloud. Meanwhile, the warmer colors are larger drops that usually measure between 4 and 6 millimeters, and the reason why they're usually found at the core of the cloud is because there's more motion there, so those drops can grow larger within the cloud, and they also have a better chance of sticking to other raindrops as they begin to descend through the atmosphere. So the research so far has found that clouds contain a variety of drop sizes. That's known as particle size distribution. Having a higher ratio of larger drops means more water in the clouds, so we could be seeing more rain falling and even more intense rate as well. But also this distribution influences the growth rate of a storm by changing the rate of evaporation. Smaller drops evaporate faster, so that means then the storm, once it releases that snow or rain, could dissipate much faster. So now you know. For 5 News, I'm meteorologist Jill Swed. Be sure to stay tuned. 5 News at 5:30 is coming up next.